Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, whatever you are seeing on your screen now, what is it? This is like type and delivery of a mutual fund when you actually try to invest. You see these four options. So in this video I'm going to discuss what are these and how they work. So the first part of before the hyphen, you see two: direct plan and regular. So what is the distinction between direct versus regular? So this refers how you buy the fund and how much you pay in fee, that is also called expense ratio. So direct means you buy directly from the mutual fund house, okay, or okay, and for regular plan is like you buy through a distributor, broker, or bank relationship manager. So how it impacts? It impacts the commission. So if when you buy directly from an AMC, you pay zero to no commission. But if you buy regular through a broker or distributor, then the bank, or you can the AMC pays an yearly commission to your agent broker. Now in the first case, expense ratio is low because again AMC does not have to pay any commission, usually 0.5 to 1% cheaper. In second case, expense ratio is high because they have to cover up the agent's commission. Okay, now because of this it impacts return because it could be higher in direct because lower expenses, and in regular it could be lower due to cost of commissions. Okay, now the second part after hyphen is growth versus IDCW. So that means when and how. This refers to what happens to the profits the fund makes. If you go for growth plan, all profits made by the funds are reinvested back into the scheme. You do not get any payout like dividend. Okay, that means your net asset value increases over time. You only see the money when you eventually sell, redeem your units. So this is best for long term wealth creation and compounding. IDCW, that stands for income distribution cum capital withdrawal. This used to be called like dividend. Okay, how it works: the fund periodically pays out a portion of the profits to you as cash in your bank account. So result, you do get cash, but your net asset value drops by the amount payout. It is not extra money, it is just your own investment being returned to you. So this is for investors who need a regular income stream from their investment. Which one you should really choose is based on your situation. If you want to go for long term or short term. When you go for long term, you go for direct generally, and for short term people go for IDCW. Now thing is that IDCW and like in direct, what happens, money you don't get, instead it gets reinvested. But in IDCW, when dividend is being paid to you, this is going to be taxable, right? So that also makes a difference, that you are earning something in growth and that's just compounding on its own. But in IDCW it's not like that. Instead you are going to be taxed too. So now direct versus regular, which one you should use, it's up to you. Like if you have some advisor who is giving you, then it will go for regular because they need to be paid as well. So that's how it works, guys. So I hope the whole process is clear to you. So thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.